Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, which of the following statements about the clinical features of female suffering from gonorrhea is correct? Then there is excessive vaginal discharge is seen where the vaginal discharge is purulent, and also features of hepatitis are seen in gonorrhea. Next. So I'm going to explain this question again. This is 303, question number 15. In gonorrhea, which of the following is not a presenting feature? Discharge will be seen in gonorrhea, and reddened lips of vulva and vagina will be seen. Acute febrile episodes and hematuria may not be present. Then, true about Trichomonas vaginalis is Trichomonas vaginalis is a flagellated parasite with pruritus, and it is a sexually transmitted disease. Fungal infection and curdy white disease is Candida. Then Trichomonas, which of the following is true? In Trichomonas, there will be foul smelling vaginal discharge and strawberry angina is seen. Strawberry vagina is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.